open this lock. So let's see, this is opened up. What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos. What's up YouTube? This is Vijay Ansura back with another video. Today's video is about my cordless screwdriver. Okay, this is the one which I actually got from US, and this is named as Hyper Tough. So basically I just wanted to make a small video on this since I'm a DIY guy. So what has happened is lately, so when I press this button, I can see that the light is glowing, okay, and the power is there, and I can also see from here the battery is full. That means it shows all 3 LEDs. But the problem is this, when I press the button, this should rotate, but it is not rotating. So I thought I'll probably make a small video, quick video, to understand what the problem is. Now the one which I have is this way. So it's a 2-in-1. I like it this way as well because it's easy for me to access like a gun, okay, and I can also do it this way. Now let's quickly open up all the screws and let's understand what could be the issue. Now what I also believe is, since battery is not an issue because I can charge this, I can see the battery is there, I can see the 3 bars, so I don't think this is a motor, I don't think this is a battery issue. What I do suspect, as usual, in any electronic device which is wear and tear, I believe it would be some of the other wire which would be loose. So let's start the disassembling and let's see. I'm actually not opening up the front part since I don't know if it is visible in the video, but this has the open pin, okay, and I really don't have the tool right now to open this lock. So let's see, this is opened up, and okay, behold, and the moment I open up, I clearly see the problem. You can see this guy, this wire, it's loose, okay, it is cut off. I believe the reason why it is cut off is because of this motion all the time. This is the wear and tear which has happened. So if I am right, the moment I attach this with the button pressed, it should work. Let's see. There you go. So I got the problem and I also got the solution. What I'll be doing right now is just go ahead and solder this wire, and I can also see the black wire is sort of, it may not be visible in the camera, but it is sort of come off. So wear and tear is what caused the problem to this guy, and yes, my screwdriver is working. Now this is something which I love to keep in my tool set, is because any tough work, this guy does it. This is wonderful. I got it for around 1600. I've put across a link of few similar screwdrivers which would be worth buying and using and keeping it under your tool set. So next is about soldering these and packing, and it should work. So thank you very much once again guys for watching my video, and I hope you like this. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.